Thank you for investing in Ghost Controls products. In this video, we're going to talk about the Party Mode feature on your keypad. The Party Mode feature is useful if you want to leave the gate open for a certain amount of time and override the auto close. To enable the Party Mode feature, you will need the master pin. In this example, the master pin is 1572. So we're going to press and release Party, punch in 1572, send. The gate will give you 2 beeps and start to open. Once the gate is fully open, if you try to go back and operate the keypad, the gate will give you 2 beeps and not move. This is because it's in party mode. To disable party mode, you're going to simply do the exact same steps. Press party mode, 1572, send. It will give you 3 beeps, and the auto close will then re-enable and count down.